Antarctica, one of Earth's least explored and untouched places on our home planet. Exploring is made for those that are always looking to see more, feel more, and experience more. Join us to be one of the family on our expeditions, where we never have ships filled with more than 200 passengers to give you the most authentic experience. Our experts on board will guide and teach you everything there is to know about the seventh continent. We are explorers, but there's no harm in treating our explorers as kings and queens, as you enjoy our ships with many amenities, along with an all-you-can-eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner, so you never go hungry. Let the greatest adventure of your life begin.